Hey guys, Buck Fever Outdoors. Today I'm going to do a video on my camcorder I'm going to use for deer hunting. I was going to do a video on my tree camera mount, but it hasn't come in yet. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago from Amazon. It should be in here soon, maybe a week, a couple days, I don't know. First off, let's start with, it has 60 optical zoom. 60 times optical zoom. It's small, lightweight. I know it's kind of shiny, but I'm going to wrap it in some camo duct tape. It picks up sound real good. It's really quiet too. Like most cameras, whenever you open them, they'll like beep or something. But I turned the setting off on this one, so now it doesn't do that. See, just the wrist thing, or the whatever it's called. It's adjustable. Has a lens opener thing like right here. Just it charges really fast and it stays up for a long time. It's an HD camera. 2000 digital zoom. Whatever. I think that's for like, I don't know. It's a Sony. And like I have another battery that I'm gonna put in my hunting backpack just in case, like, you know, you never know, like it might go down when you're out in the woods. And has face detection. All that crap. My tree camera mount should fit it because that's what it said it would, but I'll try. I hope it does. Yeah. Here, I'll open this up so y'all can see the inside right here. Has like, I don't know if you can see that or not, power, light, playback. Has a USB hookup too. It came with a cord, right there. I know this camera I'm using right now you can't see very good. It's because I have the HD turned off on it, and it's like the one I'm using right now, not this one. That's really all. I'll probably have a video up later. I use this camera to record everything. I use the one I'm using now because it's like a reaction cam you can put on your hat. It works good because like for squirrel hunting, tracking deer, or just like point of view camera. That's what I'll probably use it for, duck hunting and stuff. So, don't forget to comment, rate,